Love is not to possess, to own or imprison, nor to lose oneself in another. Love is to join and separate, to walk alone and together, to find a laughing freedom. That lonely isolation does not permit. It is finally to be able to be who we really are. No longer clinging in childish dependency, nor docilely living separate lives in silence. It is to be perfectly oneself and perfectly joined in permanent commitment. To another and to one's inner self, love only endures when it moves like waves, receding and returning gently or passionately, or moving lovingly like the tide in the moon's own predictable harmony. Because finally, despite the child's scars or an adult's deepest wounds, they are openly free to be who they really are and always secretly were. And the very core of their being, where true and lasting love can alone abide.
I stand by your side today with an overwhelming feeling of happiness and contentment. My love for you bursting from the deepest of wells within me. Today feels like our destination. The happiest moment is realizing that this is actually just one of many more days that we spend together.
I promise to keep growing with you through all life's twists and challenges, and to face these side by side, hand in hand.
And I am very delighted to confirm that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations!
So the next stage in their life, as a partnership, we are wishing all their happiness and good health. And with that, I'd like you all to raise your glasses and make a toast to Chris and Taryn.
My beautiful, effervescent, dazzling, kind, adoring bride, the girl I'll grow old with, sipping cocktails, eating peanuts on a balcony somewhere in Europe, preferably not cruise ship. Because in the immortal words of Hootie and the Blowfish, girl, there ain't nothing I can do. I only want to be with you.
Chris, you know I've been uncertain about taking on the Goff surname. Taryn is a challenge for people without adding Goff on the end of it, so if anyone's written a card to Mr. and Mrs. Goff, it's going to Janet and Lynn. But I am not uncertain about taking my place as your wife. I love you, and thank you to everyone for being here today.
If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, the world is yours and all that is in it, and what is more, will be a man, my son. So to close, I congratulate Taryn on marrying her man and would ask you all to join me in a toast to the bride and groom. Bride and groom. Bride and groom.